In today's video, I'm going to teach you here's how to take A+ exam notes using Notion with a free template. We'll build a clean, organized notes hub so your lectures, study plans, and exam prep live in one place. Follow along and you'll end up with a structured system that's easy to update and even easier to review. Start by opening Notion.so and logging in. In the left sidebar, click the plus New Page button to create a fresh space. Click the title at the top and rename it to A+ Notes. A clear title makes this your central dashboard so you always know where to start. On the right side, click Templates. In the search, type Study or Notes, then pick a template that fits your style and click Use this template. This gives you a ready-made layout with useful blocks so you can focus on content instead of formatting. Click anywhere on the page and begin typing your lecture notes. Capture main ideas first, then details. To add clear structure, use the / command heading. Create headings for topics, key points, and summaries. Headings make your notes scannable, and consistent labels help you find information quickly. Summaries are especially powerful. Add a short wrap-up at the end of each lecture to reinforce memory. When your explanations get long, keep the page clean with Watch Toggle. Put definitions, worked examples, or step-by-step solutions inside toggles. That way, you see the big picture while deeper details stay just a click away, perfect for quick reviews. To track what you're studying and when, insert a table. Use it to log chapters, exam dates, and study progress. Add columns like chapter, exam date, and status, then update progress after each session. Sorting or scanning this table shows you what's covered and what still needs attention, which helps you plan smarter. Create a dedicated space for every subject. In the sidebar, click plus add a page and name it after the subject. This opens a clean page where you can repeat the same structure with headings, toggles, and your tracking table. Keeping subjects separate prevents clutter and keeps context clear. Now organize everything under your main dashboard. In the sidebar, drag each subject page under your A+ Notes page. This nests your subjects neatly, so A+ Notes becomes your one-stop hub for all classes. You're done. From here, add daily summaries and review sections to prepare for exams. A brief daily summary locks in learning, while a recurring review section helps you revisit weak spots and build confidence before test day. Your A+ Notion notes are ready. Stay organized, study smart, and subscribe for more tutorials.